Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you, hopefully with another interesting lesson for you, part 3 of my take on Forever Autumn by Justin Hayward. The final part covers the bridge section and the outro. Okay, so coming out of the second verse, okay, when you get to the G and you stop, where you're not here is the A minor, where you would sometimes play the intro again. Well, this time after the second verse you just play a strum on the A minor, you don't play the intro. So now you're not here for 2 bars, okay, 2 bars of strumming on the A minor, and then we go into the bridge section. Okay, so now you're not here. Bridge section's chords are F, whichever version you want of the F chord, okay, F, C, unfortunately then we have a B flat, which is played twice as long as the other chords, okay, so it goes da 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 da, back to A minor, so it's F, C, B flat for twice as long, and then A minor again. So stop on the second verse. You're not here. Here we go. Da 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 da. 2 bars on A minor, F, the C, the B flat, then we have a little riff. And a final chord, okay? So let's go back to the beginning. So after you've done your A minor after the second verse, now you're not here, F, da da C, da da B flat. Now the B flat, you can play it, I'm playing it as a bar chord, 1st fret from the capo, 1st fret bar, 1st finger. Then I'm barring the 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings with my 3rd finger, okay, or you could use 3 fingers, okay, or you could play a simple B flat by just playing this shape, 1st finger on the 1st fret of the top E string from the capo, 1st fret, top E string, and the other 3 fingers playing the 3rd fret from the capo on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, 4 down to 1, whichever version you want or more comfortable with, okay, so got that, so it's F, C, B flat, whichever B flat you're playing, twice as long on that one, and then 2 bars of A minor, back to the F, C, B flat again, twice as long, and then back to the A minor, but this time we have a little bit of a riff, okay. So the other thing I would say is on the first time through that, F, C, B flat, you can just strum the A minor for 2 bars, or you can play the intro for 2 bars where it goes, okay, so that's the way I played it on my demo, okay, so it's da 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 da. Okay, so the first one is the usual, like it is on the intro. You strum the chord. The second time round, you just hit the top E string, and then you're back to the F to the C again. Okay, so after coming out the second verse. Now you're not here, 2 bars of A minor, middle section, da 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 da, F again, to the C, B flat, da, da. Right, now this second time through this bridge section, it's the same chords, F to C, twice as long on the B flat, and then you just hit the A minor once. Bit of a gap, bit of a pause, a very short pause, and then we do this build up. And then the final chord. Okay, so the build up, I'll show you the build up, right? So you hit the A minor once, very small pause, and then I'm mainly playing the 5th string and the 4th string together, okay? So it's once on the A minor, pause, and then you hit the 5th string and the 4th string together again. Then leave the first finger where it is as sort of an anchor, and then what I use is my second finger goes up and plays the 2nd fret of the 5th string along with the open 4th. Okay, so it's okay. Then I put my 3rd finger up to the 3rd fret on the 5th string and play that along with the open 4th. Okay. If you hit the 3rd string as well, that doesn't matter. Okay, but try and just play the 5th string and the 4th string. Then play the open 4th and the open 3rd together. So it's right, as far as we've got. Then put that 2nd finger down on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, D string, and play that along with the open 3rd. Okay, so look at that. So we've got. Then take that finger, 2nd finger off, play the open 4th and the open 3rd together again. So you got, now you've got that. So it's as far as we got. Then play that. Put the 3rd finger on that 3rd fret of the 5th string. Sorry, and then play again. You play that with the open 4th. Okay, so I got. That's the riff. Okay, so that's what I was playing. So you, from the beginning, I'll play the whole thing very slowly, coming out of the G on the 2nd verse. Now you're not here. Bridge. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Okay, and then the final chord is a B flat major 7. Okay, simple way of playing it is just to put your 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 5th string from the capo, 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the 4th string, and pinky on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and you just play 5 down to 2. Okay. What I was doing was I was playing it as a bar chord. You keep these fingers that I've just shown you exactly where I've shown you, but instead of playing just the 1st fret of the 5th string with the 1st finger, put the bar across the 1st fret with that 1st finger. Then you can hit all 6 strings. But the simple version is just to play that 1st finger on the 1st fret of the 5th string, 5 down to 2. But ideally, bar it, play all 6 strings. Okay, and that is the bridge section. So comes out the 2nd verse. Now you're not slowly here. Into the bridge section. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Bit of a pause, and then we go back into the intro again and go into the final verse. Da, 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 as usual. Okay, so you got that? Once more for fun. Right, the bridge section. I say that at the end of the bridge section you just hit the A minor, bit of a pause, and then okay. So when you come out of the final verse, again you come to the G, because you're not here, and then you've got A minor, and this time it's strumming, no fiddly bits, okay, so you're not here, back to the G, but you're not here, back to the A minor, but you're not here, and you can do that as many times as you like, A minor to G and back to the A minor, before you go into the outro. So I only did it a couple of times, but you can do it 4 times, how many times you want, okay, so coming out to the end of the final verse, but you're not here, cause you're not here, cause you're not here, again if you like, cause you're not here, cause you're not here. Now then you can go into the intro, so you keep it on the A minor for a bit. Right, so you're not here, cause you're not here. And what you do is you lift up your first finger and hit the second string open. Then we form an F major 7. Right, so that's basically an F chord, but you don't have the bar on it, you only fret the second string, first fret. Leave the top string open, so it's an F with the top string open. I'm playing a 4-fingered variety, so again like the F chord I play, it's this third finger goes up to the 5th string on the 3rd fret, pinky goes to the 4th string on the 3rd fret, 5 down to 1, open top E string. Okay, gives you a bit more depth in the chord. Okay, so you're not here, you're not here, cause you're not here. Okay, then you play that F major 7. So you play strum the chord, the F major 7th, then lift the first finger again, then play the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. So, right, so it goes, you're not here, open 2nd string, F major 7th, and then you play the chord again, so it's like, okay, and you take that first finger off, play the open 2nd again, and then play the A minor, and do the same thing with the A minor. So you strum the A minor, open 2nd string, play the 3rd string, and then the A minor chord again. So very slowly. So coming out of you're not here, cause you're not here, cause you're not here. When you're ready, you do it as many times as you like, and the way I finished was when you come back to the final A minor, I did that, okay, and all I did was when you come back to the final A minor, when you're ready to finish, you hit that again, that 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Slide it up to, I think it's the 9th fret from the capo, or the 14th fret in real life, and I ended up on that note. Okay, so the whole outro is, for me, slowly, cause you're not here, cause you're not here, cause you're not here, cause you're not here. When you're ready for the intro, Oh sorry, I messed that up a bit. And just give it a bit of a tremolo and just keep it there until it fades out, basically. Okay, so there you have it. That's my take on Justine Hayward's Forever Autumn for a single acoustic guitar. Okay, trying to keep in as many of the nicer bits, the embellishments, as possible. Okay, so thanks for watching and listening. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.